Pi Network is taking the crypto world by storm. For 3 consecutive weeks, it's held the #1 spot in Bitmart search rankings. But why? Is Pi Coin ready to become the next big cryptocurrency sensation? And what about Bitcoin smashing through the $70,000 barrier? What's next for the king of crypto? Stay with us because in today's video, we'll dive deep into these stories, breaking down what's happening and what's coming next in the ever-evolving world of digital currencies. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Zaki, and here at Zaki Crypto Update, we cover the latest in cryptocurrency from the newest trends and coin launches to market shifts and expert predictions. Today, we have an exciting double feature: Pi Network's incredible rise in search popularity on Bitmart and Bitcoin's climb past $71,000. What's fueling Pi's surge, and could this be the start of something massive? And for Bitcoin, are we on the brink of another bull run, or is this a brief high before the markets shift again? Before we get into it, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Join our growing community of crypto enthusiasts, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest updates. Pi Network has been blowing up lately, but what does it mean for the future of Pi Coin? Is this a sign of long-term growth, or could we be looking at another hype cycle? And when it comes to Bitcoin, there are some jaw-dropping predictions from experts. How high can BTC go, and what challenges lie ahead? Stay with us till the end to find out, because I've got some exclusive insights into these exciting developments that you won't want to miss. Let's start with Pi Network. For 3 weeks in a row, it has topped Bitmart search rankings. That's not a small feat, especially in a crypto market flooded with new projects, coins, and innovations. So, why is Pi Network gaining so much attention? The big driver behind Pi Network's recent surge is the anticipation surrounding the upcoming open mainnet launch. Pi Network has been building a strong community of pioneers, users who are mining Pi on their mobile phones using an innovative, low-energy process. For a long time, Pi has been a closed network, where users could mine coins but couldn't trade or exchange them on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, with the launch of the open mainnet on the horizon, everything is about to change. The open mainnet will enable Pi Coin to be listed on major exchanges, giving users the ability to trade and convert their Pi into other currencies. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for Pi holders and has caused a massive spike in interest. But it's not just about exchange listings. Pi Network has carved out a unique space in the crypto world by making mining accessible to everyone. You don't need expensive hardware or tons of electricity to mine Pi, you just need a mobile phone. This inclusivity is one of the reasons why Pi has gained such a large following, particularly among people who are new to cryptocurrency. What makes Pi different is its focus on decentralization and community building. It's not just about holding and trading coins, it's about creating an ecosystem where everyday people can participate in blockchain technology without the barriers typically associated with mining. This could be one of the reasons why Pi has become such a popular search term recently. It appeals to a wide range of users, from crypto veterans to complete newcomers. The open mainnet launch is the critical turning point. As soon as Pi Coin becomes available for trading on major exchanges, we could see a significant uptick in Pi's value. Think about it, right now, Pi is being mined and held by millions of users worldwide, but there's no external price or liquidity because the coin isn't publicly traded. Once it hits exchanges, the real market value of Pi will become clear, and if demand stays high, we could see Pi Coin skyrocket. But it's not just about price. Pi Network has much bigger ambitions. With the open mainnet, there's also potential for decentralized applications, dApps, to thrive within the Pi ecosystem. Pi Browser is expected to become a hub for these applications, allowing users to interact with blockchain-based services directly through the Pi Network. This could include anything from decentralized finance, DeFi, applications to platforms for buying and selling goods using Pi Coin. Another key factor driving Pi's popularity is its potential for real-world use cases. As Pi Network grows, there's hope that Pi Coin will become a widely accepted payment method across various sectors. Imagine using Pi to pay for your coffee, groceries, or even online services. While we're not there yet, the groundwork is being laid, and many enthusiasts believe that Pi could eventually challenge established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum as a practical digital currency for everyday transactions. All of this points to a bright future for Pi Network, but as with any new cryptocurrency, there are risks. The main question now is whether the interest in Pi is sustainable. If Pi's value holds strong after the open mainnet launch and the community continues to grow, we could be looking at one of the most exciting success stories in recent crypto history. Before we jump into what's happening with Bitcoin, make sure to like this video if you're enjoying the breakdown of Pi Network's surge. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest in the crypto world. Now, let's move on to Bitcoin's incredible price surge. Bitcoin is once again grabbing headlines by reaching an incredible milestone, $71,000. After months of consolidation, Bitcoin has finally broken through this psychological barrier, and we're now just a few percentage points away from Bitcoin's all-time high of $73,777. But the big question on everyone's mind is, what's next for Bitcoin? Some analysts are saying that this is just the beginning. With market sentiment turning increasingly bullish, many believe that we're entering a new phase of Bitcoin's bull run. After an extended period of sideways movement, Bitcoin's recent rise suggests that the cryptocurrency is gearing up for another major move. One of the most exciting predictions comes from Peter Brandt, a seasoned industry expert who has been bullish on Bitcoin for a long time. According to Brandt, Bitcoin could hit $150,000 in the near future, driven by a breakout from its consolidation pattern. But that's not the most ambitious prediction. Brandt also sees the potential for Bitcoin to reach as high as $220,000, though this would likely be a longer-term target. What's driving this optimism? For one, Bitcoin has been consolidating for months, and historically, these long periods of consolidation have been followed by explosive price movements. We're already seeing this play out, with Bitcoin smashing through the $70,000 barrier. If Bitcoin can maintain this momentum, we could be on the verge of another parabolic move. However, it's not all smooth sailing. One of the big uncertainties hanging over the market right now is the upcoming US presidential election. Political events like elections can introduce a lot of volatility, and many investors are bracing for potential market swings. While the long-term outlook for Bitcoin remains strong, the short term could see some turbulence as the election results play out. In addition to political factors, we also need to consider regulation. Governments around the world are increasingly focusing on cryptocurrency, and new regulations could have a major impact on Bitcoin's price. That said, Bitcoin has proven to be incredibly resilient in the face of regulatory challenges, and many experts believe that it will continue to thrive regardless of the hurdles ahead. Another key factor to watch is how Bitcoin's price movement impacts the broader cryptocurrency market. Historically, when Bitcoin experiences a significant rally, we also see an explosion in altcoin prices. This could mean that if Bitcoin continues its ascent, we could be on the verge of a full-fledged bull market for the entire crypto space. This is particularly exciting for investors who hold a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies. As Bitcoin breaks through new levels, it could trigger a flood of capital into other digital assets, leading to gains across the board. And that's a wrap for today's video. Pi Network is dominating the crypto search rankings, and Bitcoin is once again making waves by pushing past $71,000. The future looks incredibly exciting for both of these digital assets, but as always, it's important to stay informed and manage your investments wisely. What do you think? Will Pi Network continue its rise, and could Bitcoin reach $150,000 or even higher? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and hit subscribe to join the Zaki Crypto Update community. I've got tons of videos on the latest trends, predictions, and updates in the crypto world, so be sure to check those out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.